to Meshy Live. In this episode, we're gonna try to reimagine Doraemon, the robot cat from the future, but try to just recreate this using your own imaginations. So you already know the design. It's pretty easy to make if you want to redraw Doraemon, but it's actually really hard to draw to make it just like Doraemon. If you know what I mean, it's supposed to be like a robot cat, but the nose is like a clown, and this robot cat doesn't have ear, which is interesting. So let's say we are using Blender and we want to reimagine robot cat from the future. I'll show you like a fun way to do this. So I like to start with grease pencil, right? Let's make this square so it's easier for eyes. Okay, simple 512 by 512. And we can simply draw the Doraemon. I mean, it doesn't need to be perfect. If you want to be symmetrical, you can use this mirror modifier. With mirror modifier, I mean, you can perhaps start to reimagine different things. I mean, you only need to draw half. Okay, let's say it's a robot cat, just like Doraemon, but you can just redesign it. Maybe with scarf or something, just like a basic robot cat. So I'm all about, like you can make it like a monkey. Yeah, I think I quite like this design. For example, we can always continue, like adding material and stuff. Doraemon X. So let's say this is the design. We can center it. Viewport render image. So we get this image. Okay. Image save as cat robot. For the painterly, I mean, we can now go to sculpt mode. We kind of have the idea how it should look like, right? But let's say you want to make this more fun. You go to something like WebbyPaint, because WebbyPaint can do like interesting concept art. You can doodle using its own its brush. So let's say we import the image, upload. So we have this image, and I start painting. We can use the oil. So the oil is really weird. I mean, it's good for background, but let's stop playing around. Let's make this character maybe like purple color. Yeah, probably better if we have started with layers, but we just gonna overlap this domain, so the design disappear. Anyway, that's okay. This is like a cat. I'm just gonna make this character wearing some kind of scarf. Oh, it needs the pink nose, and the eyes. Maybe it's wearing some kind of headphones or like another ear. No why it needs another ear, but it's like keep it simple. just draw with the mouse. Or maybe it has some kind of mustache like Mario, so it's a bit funny. Okay, let's say we like this design. Let me try actually. This one I actually just want the shape of the character. Just gonna save it, share as, export image, and we're gonna use something called Meshy. Create game using AI. Okay, let's create this image to 3D. So I made a couple from yesterday. New generations, drag and drop your cat robot. RoboCat from the future. Oh yeah, actually the character might need to be clean up a little bit. Remove background using Apple. If you are on Apple, you can remove background, or you just use photo rule. Cool RoboCat from the future, wearing scarf. Should be cute. Generate 1 minute 20 credits. Okay. Generating. It's gonna finish maybe in about a few seconds, but I want to demonstrate this as well. Draw things up. So let's say we grab our design. RoboCat from the future. Can you age pose? Actually, this one could be scribbles. Let's just hit generate. I'm using image to image, so it's gonna use this image and then kind of reimagine it as something. I'm using realistic vision. Okay, that's probably not very good. It looks kind of 3D, and if you use the depths, you can actually have the volume. If you want to rebuild this in 3D in Blender, you can, of course, using the sculpt. Get the shapes. I use a lot of round shapes, but you cannot just use cylinder and things like that in Blender. Anyhow, we have the character right in 3D. I know it's not very good, but still. Download as GLD, or the rest is like USDZ if you are using iOS, iPad, iPhone, Mac OS. USDZ can work. So we have our Doraemon, the mustache. I mean, all of this you can rebuild and sculpt it. Anyhow, file, import, GLB, downloads, curl, purple, robot, Doraemon. Okay. Now we just need to tidy this thing. Tidy up this thing. You can use mirror modifier. Pick the one you like. This one. Which one has more personality? This one or this one? I like this one. File, save as. Crazy Doraemon. Apply. In edit mode, if you hit tab, and use this and merge vertices by distance, so it's cleaning up a little bit. You can start sculpting. Sculpt, turn on symmetry, get the name of the sculpt, and you can use things like flatten the leg, or if you wanna flatten the leg very quickly, use line project. There you go. But it's too flat, right? Too flat. At the moment, it looks like a doll character. If you want to animate this character, maybe I should have designed it like a T-pose. At the moment, it's just standing like that. The nose looks like a the character. If I give it glasses, it's gonna look probably more interesting with glasses. Maybe. Okay, so it's a fake Doraemon. Looks like we forgot to make the pocket. Scarf is there. Sculpt mode. We can grab, push and pull and grab. You know, that's sometimes enough. Depends what you want to create. Okay, go. Go ahead. To grab that part. So it's like what I'm thinking is like if it's Doraemon from the future and everyone has one, you need to customize this character somewhat. Oh yeah, I forgot the tail. You can always add the tail yourself. So big stomach is good. The ears. Flatten it a little bit. This part, we might need to smooth the area. Smooth tool, where's the smooth tool? Smooth, it's gonna become flat, so inflate. Texture painting. Get that color. We might need to repaint the whole thing. At this moment, it's really up to you how you want to take this. It's very quick and dirty recreation of Doraemon. Of course, okay. The thing you need to think about, if you actually want to animate this, you better clean up this character. Maybe make this in T pose. The character Yuffie will be, yeah, Yuffie is slightly messy. You might want to use like a proper Yuffie topology and things like that. But that's basically the whole process, you know, just for fun, just for fun. I like, I mean, grease pencil, quick doodle concept art. That's it for storyboard, and then I like this. I like the painterly feel of this. At least I wish we have this inside Blender as grease pencil or Blender paint. Is actually Blender paint is really very weak. The texture paint very weak. It's not bad, but it's pretty weak. You can use something like Procreate if you want to. You can play around. This character looks like a clay, made of clay. So I just want to round some areas. The eyes are a little bit protruding like that. Need to make a proper eyeballs. But this is for concept. Like I said, just for fun, you know. This guy, file, export as GLB. You can, I believe, you can do this at any Apple store actually. I highly recommend you to try to do this at Apple Store. It needs to have Blender though. My wish list is to have Blender on every Apple Store. That will be cool. So we have this tool to create anything. Pretty much normal roughness. Oh, okay, there's a base color. Metallic should be less metallic, okay. The eyes too metallic. Your name. Export. Crazy looking Doraemon from the future. It's got a mix of Sonic hair. It looks pretty funny. The nose can be more rounded, but we got the concept art, everything created. So yeah, make sure the character is in T pose. So from here, I mean, yeah, when you draw the concept art, make sure it's in T pose. So we could actually animate this. Otherwise, it's just this character. If you bring this to Mixamo, if you want to bring this to Mixamo. Okay, by the way, this character might be facing the wrong way. Oh no, it's correct. Control A, apply transform, file, export. Oh, get rid of the material before you export it. Before you bring it into Mixamo. Mixamo. Okay, this previous character. This character is pretty funny. It's a monster donut. PX. I think it's gonna the arms. It's gonna have problem with the arms, but that's okay. Chin, wrist, elbow. Because Mixamo is online, it's pretty easy to kind of tweak this. But we need a tool that's outside of Mixamo, I guess. But you can always use Mixamo because it's online. This character have really weird mouth, but I like this. It has some kind of character. It's like a Mario and Wario. Wario is a crazier Mario. Yeah. Always funny to have these two characters. One is Mario, the other one is Bizarro Mario. This Mixamo is gonna have problem with this. I think it's gonna fail. If it's failed, then you just rig it yourself inside Blender. But the character is not in T-pose, so need to be we need to remake and redraw this from scratch. If you redraw this from scratch, I don't know, that's when you do a proper sculpting, rigging, the proper one. You can just use simple shape, I guess. That's the thing about Doraemon design. Osamu, is it Osamu Tezuka or? Okay, characters. It's moving. Who makes Doraemon? Oh, it's not Tezuka, it's Fujiko Fujio. I always got those mixed. Yeah, Fujiko Fujio. Yeah. Osamu Tezuka is drawing Astro Boy. Yeah, Astro Boy. Yeah, because the arm is like not properly rigged. Download it. You just need a bunch of shapes, you know, like Lego shapes, and then you can make anything. I just join everything. Select this, Command J, join. Search for remesh modifier. And just reshape it. In a nutshell, if you make a simple character like this, that's how you do it. So anyhow, you know, make a proper character. 44 frames. Okay, that character doing walk cycles. This one is work in progress. This one is rough versions. This one is animated. I believe if we actually get rid of this, oh, okay. Let's try make this 100%. This one. Assign all transform. And then get rid of this. Command P, automatic weight. This looks a little bit better, right? It's like a rubber still. That's a different units. Get a walking character. Anyhow, so that's just for fun. Something for you to try yourself. Build your own character and then design it. Pretty easy, and turn it into a character. You can tell stories, add sounds, make storyboard, make comics. Doesn't need to be super polished, you know, like Pixar or it doesn't need to be super polished, but you can always come back and refine it, right? Come back and then do it slower, and that if you have patience to do that. But yeah, that's a quick one. Hopefully you find it useful. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.